Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you're enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class that is English for grade 3. We are learning Unit 5. Its title is Making Peace. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of writing, we are going to learn ordinal numbers 1st to 30th. Before this in grade 2, I have taught you how to count in tens. I hope you remember. And your maths teacher has taught you ordinal numbers in words and numerals. Do you remember this lecture? If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And today we are going to learn further to write ordinal numbers 1st to 30th in words and provide the missing letters in simple 2 or 3 syllable words. These are our today's SLOs. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Ali Imran, verse 96, indeed, the first house of worship established for mankind was that at Makkah, blessed and guidance for the words. Yes, my dear students, what this beautiful verse is telling us. Which house we are talking about? At Makkah? Yes, it's Khana Kaaba, Baitullah, where we perform, Muslims perform Hajj every year, and towards which we take our direction to offer our namaz, alhamdulillah. And you know, Allah is saying it's the first house. Means it is the first house on the earth which was built for the mankind and for a direction for worship, and it is, this house is blessed and a guidance, right? So alhamdulillah, so blessed we are. Now, my dear children, I want you to focus on this word first. What is this? What does it tell us? When we number anything which come at first is first. What happened? So now you tell me, what are ordinal numbers? Pause the video, answer this question to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, I hope you remember that ordinal numbers are number defining the position of something in a series. For example, you have placed things in a row, in a series. So the position, the number which tells us where which thing has been placed, that number is called ordinal number, right? For example, first, it means the thing which is placed at the first, at the beginning point, then second, third, and so on. This is called ordinal number. Remember, you have learned it. Okay, I want to show you a few things to clear your concept. Look at this video. Now you see there is a race going on, and among all these children, there are positions. The one who is leading, that child is on first, then second, then third. This is how in a group, the things, the places which define who is where, it's first, second, third. You see, this is how we find the ordinal number, right? One thing more I want to show you. Look at this interesting video and tell me, what is the position of this child? You see this child? Now, beta, this is what I want you to connect with. Like when there is a series, he is last. We can find, without counting even numbers, we know he is last. How? This is how. Within a series, the position, when along with all the things, your defining position, that is called ordinal number, right? So when we connect it with numbers, how do we say it? Like we say it, the first position is first, the thing which is coming at the beginning, that is first, then second, third. The way we say it in numbers, likewise we can write in words, right? How do we do it? First, F-I-R-S-T, first, second, third, fourth. You see the way we have written ordinal number in numbers, likewise we can write it in words, right? So this is what we are learning today. Fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th. What comes after 10th? Yes, it's the 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th. It's 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, and 20th. What comes after 20? 21. But when it's ordinal number, it becomes 21st. And how do we write it? 21st. The way we are saying it, likewise we can write it in words. 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, and 30th. You understand? This is how the way we have written in number, likewise we can write in words, and this is called ordinal number in words, right? So are you ready to practice it? Okay. How you are going to practice? The way I have designed this activity, first, teacher, I want to call every child and make the child to read the number. You can give a specific series to read, or maybe all together. This is all up to you. And once when all these students are done with it, then they can complete this activity which is given in your book. So pause the video, enjoy the both part of this beautiful activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, all of you are done. Good job. Now, do you know how to spell and how to write and how to say 1st till 30th? Good job. So the next thing which we are going to do today is the missing words. You will say the word and you will write the missing letters wherever, whatever you know. And if you don't know, you will raise your hand and you will talk to your teacher. The next thing is teachers kindly facilitate students to complete this project. Make an anti-bullying poster. And my dear children, in this lesson, we have learned many lessons, many things that we should not hurt anyone and we should help each other. So make a beautiful poster. Teacher will help these students in this project. You can draw images and write what things are important to do for peaceful environment in school. All right. So the best poster will be displayed in the school. So pause the video, complete this project and this exercise, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Okay, good job. Settle down now. Calm down because I'm giving you homework. You will write ordinal numbers 1st to 30th in your notebooks. This is your homework, and I'm giving you a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide printed worksheet to students for practice. And children, what you are going to do? Numbers are written here. You have to write these numbers in words 1 till 30th. Okay, 31st is not for you. It is till 30th. This is your worksheet. And in this way, what we have learned today, we learned the ordinal numbers 1st to 30th, and we provided missing letters in 2 and 3 syllable words. So in this way, we achieved our SLOs to write ordinal numbers 1st to 30th in words and provide the missing letters in simple 2 or 3 syllable words. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.